All right, welcome to the final video of our TikTok clone recreation this week. Or I guess last week we added AI features this week. Um, we're opened up to the home feed view here, and I think it's important to show the full user journey so we get a sense of how the user would use all the AI features in conjunction. Just to go through the flow once more, we have a TikTok-like feed. If you land on a video where you think you relate to the content and you'd like to get suggestions on how to better your wellness, you click on this products button here and we get a few product recommendations. So pre-workout supplements make sense. The person's doing exercise, so it'd be nice to have some workout supplements, some caffeine to up the heart rate, and then you also have some electrolytes. So you get real suggestions. These go to Amazon. You can buy it directly from there. No affiliate link because I couldn't set that up. But yeah, that's the general flow. So we can go to another example and see that this person is out in the sun gardening. So one of the suggested products will probably be sunscreen. So we have a few ones here. We can add it all to our category list and save all the products. And so once that's saved, we can go to our products tab and look at all the ones we've saved, compare all of them, and run our research agent for each one. And what this is doing is going to go through the internet, gather information on this product, and then summarize it, present a list with pros and cons, and also the sources from the product. So it pulled from the product link specifically and has a bunch of summaries and key points about it. So it does that for each product. And then, no one really wants to read reports on products. So the last AI feature, in addition to the research agent and the recommended products, is the chat feature. So it's a regular chat. You can just talk to it like an LLM. It should reply. Cool. And so you can give it commands like read reports and recommend. And what's going on in the background is it's going to call our chat agent, which will then query a vector database of the reports we've generated, return the relevant products, and then do an analysis on that product based on the user's query. So right now, specifically, we're requesting mineral sunscreen, so it should give us something generally related to that. So let's see what it says. It lists all the products we found during our research report. Is this right? So I guess it listed two, and then it recommends um, a mineral tinted sunscreen. Yep, that looks pretty good to me. And then it describes why it picks it and does a final message. So this is a cleaner way to interact with the reports. You don't have to read it and make the call yourself. You can just ask an agent to do it for you. And then I added some other features to this chat, like can you show me food videos? Um, just to make the chat agent a little bit more robust. Um, so cool. So we have two food videos here. Makes sense. We don't have a lot of data in our feed. I only uploaded like 6 videos, I think. So if we click on one of them, I take a minute to load. And then if we do another click, we get the correct videos that are loading up. So that's pretty much the full flow. We have product generation, research agents, and then another medium to interact with all the features we added. So that's it for our TikTok clone. And one more thing, we added Langsmith tracing. So if the report looks good to the user, they can click on this thumbs up, and we can head on over to Langsmith. I think probably this one. See if we got feedback here. Yep. The user gave a thumbs up, and one of the feature improvements we can make with this is integrating this feedback into our algorithm. Right now, it doesn't make too much sense because we don't have a lot of test content, but if our user base grows, it's pretty straightforward to integrate it to the LLM call we're making and on the final generation, doing some additional filtering based on the user preference. Um, but that's pretty much it. We have all the metrics here. The latency is still a little high. Trying to get that down, but now we're measuring it. That's improvement. On Friday, we didn't even have Linksmith tracing set up, so we're going through, and our research agent is also traced as well. But we can see the inputs and the outputs as well. So we have all access to all this information, and if given a user base, we can see more detailed analysis of how they're using the product. But that is pretty much it. I think that is a wrap for the TikTok AI features we added this week. So thanks for watching, and I will see you for open source next week.